Hey guys, Jose here from 3 Pillar Self-Defense. If you're new to the channel, we want to personally welcome you and make sure that you watch the video until the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I post new content. Today we're going to be going over how to throw the hooks, both the left hook and the right hook, both to the head and to the body. Hope you enjoy.
Here I'm demonstrating my left and the right hook. I am going to be exaggerating these a little bit just for the sake of demonstration. Notice that I am pivoting on my lead leg when I'm throwing my lead hook and pivoting on my other leg when I'm throwing my other hook. My elbow's bent at a 90-degree angle and the power is coming from my hips. Whenever you're throwing these hooks, you want to make sure that you close the distance. So you want to make sure that you get closer towards your target to be able to throw these punches. You don't want to be at an arm's length from your target and try to throw a hook from there. So rather get closer and throw your hooks. Just working the bag a little bit. Now we're going to be moving into the body shots. Here I'm changing levels, same technique, pivoting from the leg, throwing punches from your hips. Elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. The only difference now is that I'm just changing levels. Same goes for the left and for the right hook. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to the bag. I'm going to be alternating going from hooks to the head and hooks to the body. Again, just changing my level, whether I'm throwing it to the head or throwing it to the body, and also stepping into the bag so I can close the distance.